Justin.
This is
Call
ridiculous.
mom sometime tonight and tell her that she can't work upstairs.
I contributed.
So dangerous. This isn't even as dangerous as what he was doing before. He was like hitting it,
Yeah.
letting it come down over his head.
Yeah, see, this is at least, you know, you got some sort of security.
Security.
But we've been doing it so well. Trying to keep it clean, but now it's over.
Look at pussy, dude. That one's stuck on there pretty good. You might as well just jump on there.
Yeah.
You can.
Fuck, I got a mess to clean up.